Hi, my name is Eric. I'm a therapist at Elements Traverse. I'm originally from outside Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I came to Utah about 9 years ago to start as a field guide actually for another wilderness therapy program. I did that for a few years and then worked at detox, rehab facilities, outpatient, inpatient, sort of stayed within the in the industry. And then eventually someone in another wilderness therapy program said, Eric, you have to go to grad school, become a therapist, don't be a field guide forever, as much as I would have loved that. And I went to grad school and now I've been a therapist for about 4 years. I fell in love with the healing power of the outdoors and the connections that can happen between a group of humans when they're outside 24/7, all just looking at themselves and one another. And then you add in the adventure-based stuff, the climbing, the canyoneering, the daily activities, and seeing how that can just promote growth. Success in the field is going to look different for every client. We allow our clients to set their own benchmarks, and then we guide and facilitate and help them assess where they're at, ultimately with the hope that when they leave, they're feeling better about the place that they're in and feel like they have some momentum and feel like they can take the next step in their life, whatever that looks like for the individual. One thing that I would want to tell a prospective client coming to Elements Traverse is that we're not going to judge you. You might feel broken, you're not. And one thing that we practice all of the time with all of our clients is vulnerability, because that combats that shame that comes with that judgment. And I think that's also one of my favorite parts of wilderness and being out here and taking that break, is that we combat that fear of judgment. And that's ultimately what the message that I would want to convey to any young man or woman or other that is looking for treatment and for help. I struggled with the same decision making that our clients struggled with. As a young man, I did not know that wilderness therapy existed and that outdoor behavioral health was an option. I was failing school, I was really struggling, and I decided to hike the Appalachian Trail. And that was my intervention. That was my wilderness therapy. And that's really what got me engaged and interested in wilderness as a healing tool. That's what drew me back and continues to draw me, because I really do believe in the healing power of the outdoors that can provide introspection. And that's really what we offer. That's what the wilderness offers, is introspection and reflection with other humans, and really just not having those walls to hide behind.